Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to edit your picture with the music on a CapCut application by also iPhone. So first thing you have to do, open your CapCut, and after you open it, you just need to go click new project. Since you want to edit the picture, go into your photos library, and after that just find out which photos that you want to add the music to. For example, let's do with this picture and just click add. And now you already have a picture here. You can also add the length so that this picture will have the little bit longer time or duration by just drag it into the outside. I would like to make it 5 seconds, and yep. Now to add a video or music, you just need to go click add audio. In this add audio, just go into the sounds. You can just type the music on this search button if you want, or you can also just go into this fire sign. Here also there will be a recommendations pop up here, so you can just find out what the best music that probably match that from recommendation that recommend by the CapCut. I'm feeling lonely. And after you find it, you just need to go click this plus button, and after that don't forget to adjusting the length of the music. Bring this straight line into the end of the clip, and after that you just need to go click this audio section, go split and delete the rest, and now we already have a picture with music on it. I'm feeling lonely. So that's the way how to add the music or how to edit picture with music on the CapCut. If you find that this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.